So,
Good morning. Good morning, all.
809
No, it's not. Kind of. It's funny though. It isn't. It's not fun. What way? No, it's long. Oh yeah. Oh, wait, what? It's mom dog. I was like, is it one? Oh, weird. No, you should go. I'm just kidding.
looks good.
Good morning, Mr. Murthy. I'm not doing anything, just sucking. No.
See, in the beginning of this lesson, we had a small discussion where we use the fractions in real life. If you do remember, a hotel CEO is the manager, sorry, not the CEO, a hotel manager says that we give off the price. If it is 200 pounds, we give off the price to the regular members or regular customers. Then how much is that? See, knowingly or unknowingly, we use fractions in our everyday life. If you are making a recipe, let's say a cake, right? We mix some eggs, some flour, some ghee or butter, some sugar. What? Yes.
You want it for me?
Okay, if you want, I'll make it for you.
Okay.
Okay.
Blueberry?
The thing is that listen carefully. One small curse here. I'm making muffins. In that, I'm taking equal quantities. May I have your attention, please? I'm taking equal quantities of sugar, butter, flour, and eggs. So, a big, let's say, a big cake is made. Then, what is the quantity of sugar in it?
Like 30%.
Not in terms of percentage. What? I'm taking equal quantities of items. Sugar, flour, eggs, and butter. So a cake is made. Yes, please. 25% is correct, but I'm asking in terms of. That's good. 1/4, because I'm taking 4 ingredients. No iPads, please.
Who did? Oh, who's that?
I don't want to name. Sorry, don't do that. Okay? Okay, so there are 4 ingredients. In these 4 ingredients, if the quantities are equal, sugar is 1 out of 4 parts. Right? Okay. A few questions are coming. I'm using some names like Ramesh used 10 out of 20 pencils. If you are asked to express this one as a fraction, that's great. Very good answer.
10 out of 20 or 1/2?
That's great, dear.
Or 20 out of
See,
40?
it is 10 out of 20. May I have your attention, please? See, Ramesh used 10 out of 20 pencils. So 10 out of 20. Can you divide the numerator and denominator with any particular number? 10. If you divide, 1 out of 2 are off. Good answer? Then Sheila used 25 out of 50 pencils. How will you write? Louder, please. A bit louder. That's great. That's great.
It would still be the same way.
That's great. So my question is, if you are taking 25 out of 50, how will you write this one?
1/2.
Okay. So with what table can you divide?
25.
25. Okay. So you get, I got the final answer.
1/2.
That's great. Good answer.
Yeah, she said that first.
So are you ready for the next question?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jamal used 40 out of 80. That's great. Okay. Yes. Yes, you're right. That is also 1 over 2. That's true. Yes. Hmm.
I said first.
No, I said
Okay.
first.
So,
I said first.
when I give a test, you will be having this kind of question, I'm sure. Yes, it is 25 out of 100. So what will you write? It is 25 over 100. Can you, I mean, any table goes in the numerator and denominator? Yes, please.
25,
25 table. If you don't know 25 table, think of quarters. 1 quarter, 2 quarter makes
50 cents.
3 quarter makes
75.
4 quarters makes
$1.
$1. That is 100. 5 quarters.
125.
Okay. Now look at this 25 over 100. Now think 25 table. How many times goes in the numerator? 1 time. In the denominator? 4 times. So if I strike it off, then I'll get the final answer is
1, 4.
1, 4.
Yeah.
Okay?
Can we do this one? It sounds good.
Okay. See, this is slightly difficult. Let me see who can answer. I'm sure most of you can answer. Look at the question. Ela read 25 pages out of 100. Lalita read 2/5 of the same book. Now my question is, compare this 1 over 4 and this 2 over 5. Compare means who read more. Did you get my question? Who read more?
Yeah. Equal. It's equal.
Mhm.
What if it was 2?
Are you sure?
Well, it's not like equal, but it's like.
Okay.
Yes, it's equal. Lalita has more. That's more.
She read more.
She
Okay.
read the
Yes.
No, that's not true.
Mhm.
It's true.
Good answer. I appreciate it. Hey, I got a correct answer. Don't tell others. Any more answers? Who read? Is it Ela or Lalita?
Lalita.
How?
Because she read 4/10 of it. And
I have a more
Ela read only read
Mr. Murphy,
Yes.
if you convert these to decimals, it would be like 125.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Hey, I got 3 different answers. I got 3 different answers. All the answers are correct. I appreciate it. Hey, one of you suggested that. Oh, let me take a pen. Okay. Okay. I'm not naming. One student has taken, total are 100 pages, sir. So, 2/5 of 100, you know how to calculate 2/5 of 100? 2 out of 5 times 100. Then, I appreciate you did not use any calculator, but you got the right answer. Let me take See, I'm taking this fraction. This is 2 out of 5. So it is 2 out of 5 times 100 amperes. You may get a doubt from where did I get this 100 means total number of pages in the book 100. So 2/5 of 100. Can you divide 100 by 5? How many times? Okay, so I'm striking off this one and it is 20. So 2 times 20 how much?
40.
It is 40 pages. 40 pages. Now here Ila read only 25 pages and Lalita read 40 pages. Now who read more means you can compare. This is one way of solving the question. And there is another method also. I'm not naming, someone suggested that, Mr. Murthy, why don't you convert this one, this 1/4 into decimals? When you convert this one into decimals, you get 0.25. And next, this 2/5, if you convert 0.4, that's great. That's great. So 0.25 and 0.40. When you compare them, you get the answer. And I have one more method. Oh. Okay. See, now comparison of these two. You know how to do the additions and subtractions. In the same way, here the denominators are the same or different.
Different. You're welcome. Different.
Okay. See here, please. Here the denominators are not the same. Then you know how to equate. With this denominator, we multiply here, and with this denominator 4, we multiply the second fraction. When you do that, you get this way, right? So 1 times 5, 4 times 5.
And then plus.
It is 5/20 and 8/20. Now you can compare. As the denominators are the same, then you can compare which is the greatest one. I repeat, some of you suggested that we can convert into decimals. That is correct. And second thing is that 2/5 of 40 pages, 100 pages is equal to 40. That way also you can take, or else you can take the fractions. You know how while adding or subtracting, we multiply this way, then we get 2 fractions and you can compare which is the largest. Okay? So you have 3 methods to solve. Yes, please?
The easiest way is to know how to multiply.
It's up to you. Okay? When you're asked to compare, you can follow any of these methods. Sorry, this is second time. Okay? Now,
Now, can we do some problems? Work?
yes, I'll give some problems now.
I want to see the neighbors. Work looks funny. Work. Abby, work. I want to see Noah.
Okay.
It's not so old.
Again, my airplane stopped working. Just give
I
a
want to watch
little
the other
time,
one.
please.
Well, oh my gosh, work.
Okay, I'm dictating a question verbally.
And it sounded like this. And so another picture sounded like
Okay, I'm dictating a question verbally. Please make a note of it. So, My airplane. Oh, it's working.
I have a nose. I'm a big toe. This is healthy.
So hard.
What? Hey. Yeah, right. Why you want to go see? Why you want to?
I said that during my car.
What's your dream? To be my friend? What's your dream,
That's
Mr.
right.
Murphy? I met Mr. Murphy. What was your dream when you wanted to be as a little kid? Teacher? Why?
Okay.
That's what you said.
Please make a note of this one. There are 40 students.
This is what you do.
Look, there are 40 students in a class. Okay? Right?
No.
Number of, sorry, girls are 38 of total. Boys,
Who's gonna watch that?
okay. May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention? If 6 boys
You ready for Spanish?
leave the school,
That's it. Where's the baseball?
okay, you may start working on this one. There are 40 students in a class. Okay, 3/8 of them are girls. If 6 boys leaves, I want working. I don't want it just verbal answer. I want the working.
Are those two the answers? Are those 6 boys Rocky in a group?
What?
What does the top one say?
See, there are 40 students in a class. There are 40 students in a class. 3/8 of them. May I have your attention, please? See, there are 40 students in a class. 3/8 of them are the girls. And if 6 boys leave the school, how many boys are there?
School got 3/8. What?
So I want to answer this.
34.
Please, I want the working.
3/8 is what?
I'll be 40.
You know, always I appreciate people who are good and who are fast.
That's me. No, just
I don't know how to do this.
So,
Money. This is not new.
okay, that's cool. So I'm sure that you also can do it. I'm waiting for the other answers. Don't you have to do others. Let everybody work it.
Jalen,
I don't know how to do
you
this.
at ATM?
Yeah.
Think of it. Think of it.
I called my mom later.
Please, you're off. Please.
Alright, no, I have the.
You get the answer?
That looks like 60.
Yes.
It is 40 is the shorter. 40.
Okay.
How did you get the answer? The answer is correct.
I'm already sitting down.
How?
I was 5 off.
The answer is correct. Good job, good job.
Thank you. I know how to skip and prance and dance and chant. So, I don't know. We're at five. Five. We're the weirdos.
Let's take some up. I don't know, 30 something.
Wait, how many boys are there? There's 40 girls. Compared to I am. I will. I will. I won't just be your best friend. I'll be your best friend. I'll be your best friend. No, there's yeah, like self-blame. I will all no, look at us like you're guys.
I want my dog.
I don't get this. That quick. Well, still, yeah, we're the same.
What?
You got your girlfriend for that? Just because you like men doesn't
Do you not understand the meaning of
I know.
No, gay means you're happy.
Shh. Do it quietly, please. Yes. Drink it. I'll help you. Don't worry.
Oh my god. See, oh my god.
Okay. You may compare your answer with my answer here. Look at this one. 3/8 of total means 3/8 of total means this part. Okay. I'm taking this one as. What is the total number of students? 3/8 of 40 I am taking. Okay. You know the total number of students are 40. Therefore, I am taking 3/8 of 40. You know, if I am taking this 8 tables, can you divide 40 by 8 or not?
Yeah, 5.
How many times?
5.
It goes 5 times. So 3 times 5, how much? You get 15. Now please pay attention. Here, out of 40 students, if 15 are girls, can you tell me how many boys are there?
Let's see.
May I have your attention, please?
19.
May I have your attention, please?
There's 19.
See, there are 40 students.
19 boys.
Are you following?
Yeah, but
There are 40 students. Out of 40, there are 15 girls. If 15 are girls,
19.
can you tell me how many boys are there?
19.
Please think carefully. How many boys are there?
19.
Sorry. 25.
Oh.
So, there are 25. There are 25 boys. Okay? If 25 boys are there, and notice that here, how many boys left the school? Notice that the 6 boys left the school. Therefore, you have to take away 6 from this. Then, how many are left means now 19 boys are left in the school. May I have your attention, please?
Guys,
Please
finish.
shut it down. Shut it down.
I finished.
See, I repeat, there are 40 students, 3/8 of them are girls, means 3/8 of 40. You can divide 40 by 8, so 8 5 is 40. Now you multiply, you get 3 5 15. Now, there are 15 girls, there are 25 boys. Out of 40, 15 are girls, 25 are boys. Now, 6 boys left the school. Then how many are left? There are 19 boys. Okay? Now, I'll give 3 questions. maybe a bit easier than this question. I will see who will do faster. I'm ready. Okay? Okay.
Even like this. Wallet.
Okay. So let me give the access to you now. What's the number? 418 Okay. These are the questions. These are the questions. Let me make it as only just 2 questions, not 3. Okay.
How does he eat 30 biscuits on a Sunday? What the heck?
Read the question. Rayon bought a packet of 60 biscuits. May I have your attention, please? 60 biscuits on Saturday. On Sunday, he ate half of them. On Monday, he ate 19 of them. How many biscuits did he have left for Tuesday? Yes? Which one?
Yeah.
Correct. Good job.
Oh, let's make that 11 in front of him. But I already knew the answer. I did it out, or ripped it out. Did it out. You did what else?
That's the question.
Oh my god. I already know. I already have one. That's a lot. Oh yeah. Mom's cup. Alright, I got it.
What is first answer? Okay.
You wanna see them?
Please vote.
Yeah. Okay, on that number 2.
Correct.
What about the second one? The second one.
125. Okay.
So do I have okay.
Yes. Yes. Correct.
Yeah. I'm
Yes, it's correct.
finished.
Good job.
Yup.
Yes.
Yup.
All.
Love it.
Yeah, first of all, correct. What is the second answer? What is the third answer? Third one. Sorry.
It's her.
But how do you do 30? That is 60 minus 30. Yes. The method, the procedure. Yes. But the procedure.
Yeah, I did the same. I did
And all the answers are just The answers are there. How you got it? All of your answers are correct. When you do the work, you are expected to show that how you got it. 2 by 23 is 7 by 12. What is the other one? What is the other one? If you take a logic, it should match to all the points. Okay. Suppose you need to after 7 over 12. What's the other part? 7 over 12 is how you subtract one.
All I did was my answer.
Okay, this one. 250.
Like 20 feet half.
Can you read it? You know what? How we got these Okay.
I can label the answer.
Reduce the volume, please. Reduce the volume.
Reduce the volume.
This is the first one. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yes.
What do I know?
You need to take a screenshot of this. I will upload this one to the iTunes use. Okay. And there are more questions on this one. Just 5 questions. So 2 more questions are there. Those 2 questions you may do it in the afternoon. It's 8:55. You have 5 more minutes.
Don't have a valid.
Alright, I'm done.